Hey guys, it's Mrs. Salceda. I wanted to show you an extra credit assignment you could do. If you want to record yourself and send me a recording of you doing these demos, then I'll give you some extra credit. So the first demo, both of these demos have to do with something called inertia, which is an object's resistance to change. And it says that objects in motion stay in motion, objects at rest stay at rest. So you could get a stack of pennies, and these pennies want to stay at rest. They do not want to be in motion. Objects at rest want to stay at rest. And then you would need like a butter knife or something real long and thin. I'm using tweezers. And so you go real quick, and then the penny will slide away. It's over here now. And all the other pennies stay in place. You can re-straighten them if you need to. And so objects at rest want to stay at rest. These pennies that were at rest on top of the other pennies stayed in that same position even though the other pennies were being removed from underneath it. So objects at rest want to stay at rest. They resist change to motion. So if you want to record yourself doing that, that's some extra credit. Also, another option for extra credit. You've got a cup of some kind, a penny, and you could use a note card like I am, index card, or you could use maybe a gift card. You want to lay it flat, and then the penny will drop right in there once you flick. Make sure you're flicking it. Don't flick the beaker or the cup. Just flick the paper straight ahead. Okay. Either of those, if you want to go to the Flipgrid, I'm going to make a Flipgrid and post it on Google Classroom. Then you can go ahead and record yourself on the Flipgrid doing one of those. Like I said, I'll give you extra credit. These both have to do with Newton's law of inertia, objects resisting change. So that penny didn't want to move even though the paper moved. The penny wanted to stay in the same spot, and so it fell directly down beneath where it was. Any questions?